Alright guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and as you can see, I am currently playing Mobile Legends. We're still in the tutorial stage, but we also have the other Galaxy Tab S9s in the background. As you can see, there's another Ultra here with the keyboard setup, as well as a much smaller Galaxy Tab S9, and there is mini version over here. But basically we just wanted to show how ginormous the screen is on the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So if you're into gaming, like, one of the considerations that you're gonna make if you're gonna be playing mobile games is the reachability of the buttons. So in the case of MOBA games such as Mobile Legends, I just wanted to see if I can still play comfortably with my thumbs on the opposing ends of the screen. And this is, by the way, a 14.6-inch screen, or 14.6-inch display. So far so good, because the size of the buttons also adjust depending on the size of the screen, and I'm able to reach the buttons. So in this case, I am playing with Layla, although I do have to stretch my fingers a little bit in order to reach this button right here. And keep in mind that we're just using the basic controls. Normally you'd have two additional controls here for the recall and for the for blink, for your what you call that, utility skills. So if all you're gonna be doing is some casual gaming with buttons on the side, I think that it is gonna be doable. And this is running on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 platform, which is one of the most powerful platforms or chipsets that you can get on mobile devices today. Alright, so now I'm just gonna raise the volume so you can all experience the loud. It can get pretty loud. I actually tried it earlier, but I'm just gonna raise it right now.
Tap here to buy equipment directly.
Okay, so you have the utility skills here. You have recall and regen. So it's gonna be slightly. You're gonna have to position your fingers slightly like this in order to reach the recall and the regen buttons. So if you're playing a jungler, for example, which requires that you be very quick to, like, in order to steal, let's say, jungle creep, then that might be a problem because it's gonna be difficult to reach from here. Okay, so now we're just gonna change the interface to selected targeting. Graphics right now is on Ultra, which is the way we want it. I mean, that's the entire point of having, like, the best ever performance that you can get from a tablet right now.
We have to destroy the enemy base turret.
Alright.
Your team destroyed a turret. Destroyed all the turrets in the lane.
And of course, the benefit, the biggest thing that you get from playing on a 14-inch screen is that you have a very, very nice, very big display. I can see all the detail on the screen. It's so big. There are 4 vents on this tablet. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. I can actually feel the air rushing to the sides as I play Mobile Legends. So that's gonna be it for our gaming test of this very big 4.6-inch Galaxy Tab S8 or S9 Ultra. You have a pen holster here at the back. That's pretty much it. Do you have any questions? Drop them in the comment section. Alright, see you in the next one.